Hey guys, I just have a really quick review here today. This is a really simple device. It is a white noise machine. So if you have trouble sleeping and you just kind of want some ambient noises, this is something you might want to look into. It's relatively cheap. It's around $20 on Amazon. And as usual, I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check it out. Unboxing is really straightforward. You're greeted with some of the instruction manual right off the top. And you also come with some accessories, which is just the power cable, which is proprietary, but the ending part is USB, and it also does come with a USB to wall adapter if you needed it. It only requires 5 volts or 1 amp to charge it, so you can actually charge it up using one of those USB ports in the power outlet if you needed to. You didn't have to directly use the wall outlet if you don't want to. And you can see finally you have the machine itself. It's a really simple prism. It's kind of on the big side, clunky plastic, but it's not too big of an eyesore. It's just a speaker with a lot of buttons on the front. But it's really simple to use. You see all the buttons are right there in the front, clearly labeled, and you have the volume nozzle, very big and really easy to use there. There's a very distinctive click when you turn it on and turn it off, so that's good. And also on the very back, you can see the first port is where you would plug in the proprietary power cord. Next to that is a headphone jack if you wanted to listen using headphones. And then finally, there's another button on the back, and this is the timer. So if you wanted to only go on for a certain amount of time, you can do it in 15 minutes, half an hour, 2 hour increments. You can do so right there on the back. Once you plug it in, the lights do show up, so it's really clear if you do have that timer mode on. On the very bottom of the device, it has 2 rubber strips for better grip, and it grips very well on smooth surfaces, as you can see here. So now let's go ahead and just demonstrate the noises that are available. So first off, default is the forest sound. As you can hear, a lot of birds. And then the next one's kind of weird. It's called fetal sound. So it's basically if you were still in your mother's belly, this is probably what you would be hearing. And again, you can adjust the volume how much you want. If you were to turn it off and then turn it back on again, it would actually go back to the previous mode that you were on. The next option is the brook noises, like river noises. And then the last one is thunder and lightning sounds. Thus far, the 4 noises that you've been hearing are the 4 buttons towards the center. These are the nature sounds. And then to the right here is the white noise button. And then conversely, on the other side is the fan noise button. The difference between the fan noise and white noise buttons as opposed to the nature sounds is that you can actually click through those 2 buttons to cycle between 12 different types of fan or white noises. So my final thoughts is this is a pretty nice white noise machine. It definitely gives you a lot of options to choose from. I think the sounds are pretty realistic sounding, and of course you can cycle through a wide variety of white noise and fan noises as well. So this is a really nice package if you're looking for a white noise machine that really doesn't break the bank. As usual, I'll put the link in the description.